Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super straightforward guide on how to withdraw Ethereum from Coinbase to your Coinbase wallet in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or just need a quick refresher, this step-by-step tutorial will have you moving your ETH in no time. It's all about keeping things simple, secure, and efficient, especially with the latest updates in the crypto world. So, grab your device, and let's get started. First things first, make sure you have both a Coinbase account and a Coinbase wallet set up. If you don't, head over to the Coinbase app or website and create them. It's quick and free. Once you're logged into your Coinbase account, navigate to the Assets or Portfolio section. Here, you'll see your Ethereum balance. Click on Ethereum to select it. This is where the magic begins. Next, look for the Send or Withdraw button. Depending on the interface, it might be right there on the asset page. When you click it, you'll be prompted to enter the recipient's address. That's your Coinbase wallet address, so open your Coinbase wallet app, copy the address, and paste it into the field. Double-check this step because accuracy is key to avoiding any mix-ups. Now, you'll need to specify the amount of Ethereum you want to withdraw. Enter the exact figure, but remember to leave a little buffer for network fees, which can vary based on current blockchain congestion. Coinbase usually shows you the estimated fees up front, so keep an eye on that. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm and authenticate the transaction with your two-factor authentication or any security measures you've set up. After confirmation, sit tight. The transaction might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on the Ethereum network. Once it's done, check your Coinbase wallet to see your ETH has arrived. And there you have it. That's how you securely withdraw Ethereum in 2025. A quick tip. Always use official apps and enable security features like biometric login to protect your assets. If you run into any issues, Coinbase's support is pretty helpful. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.